Okay, hey Simon. Hey, I don't know how good this is working. I haven't really tried it, but we're gonna go through and fix all the errors real quick. Okay, let's start at the very top. So we have this thing called Serde. Um, that's a thing. We have to actually get that. So we go to cargo and we cargo add Serde, and you want the derive feature because that's what you be doing with Serde. We haven't actually used it yet. Yeah, you'll see Rust Analyzer down here at the bottom. It's doing staying, sins there. It's always there. And the error's gone. Okay, so we never used the file from here. So we can remove that. And okay, you can see it's still mad about our parentheses. So we remove those. And path is private. Why? Because we need to get it from path. I misremembered that. I'm sorry. And we're still not using it, so we can delete it. Alright, so we're done with that. So let's move on to the next error, line 22. We can't compare checksums because they can't be compared. That's what I was saying earlier. We have this thing called derive. And type that. And we have debug because you always put debug. Usually you want clone as well. These two are pretty default. Unless you have something that cannot be cloned, you know? Like you can't have two copies of I don't know, yourself. You know, I don't know. But that kind of works. Anyways, so to compare things, you need something called partial eq and partial ord. And fuck it, we'll throw in hash because you want to be able to hash things. Oh, okay, I put it on the wrong one, but that's okay because that one wants it too. There we go. And why'd that put a blank line? Remove that. And that error is fixed. Okay, so we're down to here. So this is saying that we need to implement the serialized and deserialized traits for these two other objects. Let's put them up here. Deserialize and serialize. And let's just do that here as well. Okay. Lifetime may not live long enough. DE must outlive static. Okay, whenever this happens, we always click this button. Lifetime DE. Oh. That's fun. That's a great time. Okay, listen, we are not going to be using this for now, because that is some hard shit. We don't like that. We're not even using Serde anymore, but we pretend we do. Okay, anyways, now we're down. We're down to the last one. So for game file in self.game files, cannot move out of self.game files, which is behind a shared reference. .iter. I don't know why that works, but it does. Oh, you can also see here, unneeded return statement. That's because you don't need return whenever it's the last line. It's just return true. That's what it is right there. We just get true. It's returned. So yeah, that's everything here. So you'll see these right here, even though they're public, it says, oh, they're never used. That's because the struct also has to be public, so we'll do that. File and yeah, okay, we also need to do that for checksum, and then we'll probably get an error down. Okay, they're still unused. Well, anyways, that's for a library. I was fucking that up. But yeah, so now all the issues are fixed except for never used, which we can just pretend is not there. So thank you, Simon, for watching my epic YouTube video. Let me know if you have any more questions. I like doing shit like this.